With the 11th pick of the first round of the 2014 MLS Super Draft, the New England Revolution select forward Patrick Mullins.
With its selection in the second round of the expansion draft, New York City has selected Patrick Mullins of New England.
'Cause though we're so far, you're still under my skin. Need you here with me. This can't be the end, no. I know we can make this work if we just put each other first. Take the leap and reach for me, 'cause right now we be drifting into foreign seas. Will you come and follow me? Different places we can go. Why don't you meet me up in Tokyo? Why don't you meet me up in Tokyo? Skim over oceans, catching red-eye flights. Ain't nowhere too far, just to be where you are. Oh, nights are the worst, taking over my mind. My favorite scar. Yeah, you raised the bar.